This video is brought to you by MetaQuest Plus. Do you want to play Call of Duty in VR, or Skyrim in VR, or Starship Troopers in VR? Or do you want to join thousands of players in improving your mini golf skills? You can do all of that and more with MetaQuest Plus. MetaQuest Plus is the premium subscription service for VR. It's basically the Xbox Game Pass or PlayStation Plus, but for VR. As of January 2025, there are over 20 games for you to try, with new games added every month. Not only that, but you get exclusive deals for members as well that save you money, and you get to play together with friends also. If you purchase the MetaQuest 3S, you automatically get a 3-month free trial to MetaQuest Plus, and if you already own a MetaQuest headset, you get 1 month free. After that, it's just $7.99 US or $10.99 Canadian a month. Choose from a wide variety of titles like Onward, which is a military shooter with many game modes, free-for-all, team deathmatch, search and destroy, and spec ops. There are 12 maps included in the game, ranging from a map of Fallujah, a map of a quaint American subdivision, one with shipping containers, and a map of a Middle Eastern bazaar. After checking out the maps created by the developers, you can check out the workshop where you can access unlimited user-created maps as well. There are over 40 different weapons for you to choose from, each with realistic gun handling, scopes work exactly as they should, and you can dual-wield guns as well, which is pretty cool. Reloading weapons requires you to reload the weapon exactly as you would in real life. Turning on flashlights, laser pointers, or night vision requires you to actually tap the correct spots as well. It has single player modes as well as full multiplayer and pretty limited ammo, so always remember switching to your sidearm is faster than reloading. Or you can pick up guns off the ground, which is exactly what I did here. This game can be challenging at times, although it only takes 1 to 2 shots to kill somebody. On the flip side, somebody shoots you 3 times and you are dead also. You can play Asgards Wrath 2, which is an RPG made exclusively for VR. Imagine you combine Skyrim and Legend of Zelda, an open world with magic, combat, and sometimes even some parkour. In this game, you play a god who possesses humans, and you start off by possessing this dude and figuring a way out of the tomb. Along the way, you will have to solve challenging puzzles, fight off enemies, get lots of loot, and figure out a way to escape. After escaping, you will be faced with an open world where you can do anything you want, talk to people, run around, or fight huge monsters like this massive bird. You can also check out Guardians Frontline, where you fight off enemies and build your bases in single player, co-op, and PvP game modes. You get to use many weapons, from your basic carbine to pistols all the way to a giant mech that you can hop in and control, kind of like Mech Warrior. And you also get a level editor that ensures that users can create custom map content for infinite replay value. Immerse yourself in base building as you try to fend off hordes of insects in each level and mission that you face. And you can do that by yourself in a co-op campaign and even PvP game modes as well. You can get overwhelmed pretty quickly in the game because the bugs spawn at you hard and fast, and I had to switch to my sidearm because I ran out of ammo and they basically overran my base. And you know what? I thought this game was supposed to be easy, but it turns out to be pretty challenging when you are not prepared or when you do not build your base properly. Finally, check out Walkabout Mini Golf with 8 courses for you to choose from, and you start off learning the mechanics and how to play the game on Welcome Island, a tropical island setting where you can figure out how to play the game, how to play it well. You get to pick up special limited golf balls, and you can try your hardest to get a hole-in-one. Not only that, the menu shows off a cool 3D view of the map, which is pretty awesome, and once you're finished with Welcome Island, you can move along to any one of the other maps. There is a lot of variety, starting from the tropical Welcome Island to the Japanese/Chinese inspired map, and even a space map as well, which kind of looks like you're outside Saturn, and then finally a Christmas tree in somebody's house, which in this case you can see we're looking at it from a bird's eye view, and finally Quixote's Island. So, highly recommend that you check out all these games and more exclusively on the MetaQuest Plus. Click the link in the description down below, and thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. If you have any questions or comments, hit me up in the section down below, and I'll see you in the next one.